Hello my friends, it's Chris here from the School of Embodiment, and today I'm going to give you a simple somatic practice to help settle down, soothe and heal your nervous system. So this is especially powerful for people who have experienced trauma. It's especially useful for people who are going through Kundalini type experiences. So be still with me for a second and I'm going to guide you into it. But first we just sit for a few moments. Allowing your thoughts to do whatever they want to do. Allowing your feelings to be however they are. Not having to change anything. Allowing the nervous system to be the way that it is. Not trying to change it. Not trying to fight against it. Because often it's the fight to relax our nervous system which makes it more intensely struggle and hold on. So again, allowing the thoughts to do whatever they want to do. Allowing your thinking to do whatever it's been conditioned to do. Allowing your body to be the way that it is, to hold in the way that it is. Not fighting that holding. Just gently letting yourself be, exactly as you are. And at the same time allowing your breath to come into your awareness. Gently bringing attention down and resting it on the lower belly. Noticing the breath coming in, the breath going out. And your attention is resting down in the lower belly. Now I want you to imagine that you're placing your attention, or place your attention in fact, 4 fingers down from the belly button and 4 fingers in. So a couple of inches down and a couple of inches in from the belly button. Now I was on a retreat with a wonderful Zen Advaita Vedanta teacher called Adyashanti. Many of you will know him. And he pointed this place out to me. That there's this place, 4 fingers below the belly button and 4 fingers in. And if you place your attention there, there is a settling effect through the whole central nervous system. You're not fighting to hold your attention there. You're not fighting to keep your attention there. You're resting your attention there. Maybe even enjoying having your attention down there. Subtly feeling the breath in the lower belly. In and out. So, one more time, I'll say before the end of the video, around 4 fingers down, and you can feel this now, and 4 fingers in. There's a point or a place in the lower belly. And if you rest your attention there, if you feel your breath from there, then something can really settle down inside. Okay, stay with it, my friends. Enjoy the practice.